everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update software on Samsung Android. Now let's get started. First, open your setting at your phone. In here, I with Samsung, and after this, in here at the setting menu, you can swipe down until you can see update software. At the bottom you can click on it, and then in here at the top you can click on download and install. This one, click on it, and after this in here you can click on download at the bottom. Okay, you can waiting. Okay, and after the download has been finished, you can choose you wanna schedule to install, or you want install now. But in here, I wanna schedule install, so you just click on it, and after this, in here you can set you wanna install time to Word, and in here I wanna set to EM. Okay, and now you can click on the OK at the bottom and finish. The update will be installed automatically for 2 EM. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.